Hey everyone, let's continue after finishing two data frames. One is triple, another one is list. I had already uploaded on my YouTube video channel, and there is one playlist that is Python. One video name is triple, and another one is list. In this video, I'm going to explain you how we have to use. There is one more type of data frame, right? That is, we are calling it dictionary. So here is, we will start from this place, dictionary. It is again a mutable. Let's say you had created one variable and various kind of data you had put it in that variable. That variable you can change once you had created, but in tuple we cannot. And here is, we are going to use curly braces, and there is the key values in pairs we are going to use, and these values are unordered. So let's say here is number one. I had created one variable that is dict. On the basis of dictionary, I am using this variable name dict and curly braces, and in these curly braces I am going to use, let's say, we are running these number of management courses: BBA, MBA, BCom, and MBA, Artificial Intelligence. And here is, you can see BBA is total number of students are 60. In MBA, total number of students are 120. And in BCom, total number of students are 120. And MBA Analytics, I mean Artificial Intelligence, there is number of the students are 50. So let's say I had created this one particular dictionary variable, and now what I will do, simply I will run this. And after that, I want to print this dictionary. So when I'm going to print, so this would be the output. You can see, moment I will print this dictionary, and dict, this is the variable, and this is the output, BBA. This one is the colon 60, MBA colon 120, BCom colon 120, and MBA AI, that is 50. Right. Suppose I want to check what is the this kind of variable. So simply I would use this function type and then dict. So after that I would run, and it will giving output dict. That means it shows this variable is dictionary type. So you understand, use key values pairs. So right, these are the keys. Why I had used these two terms: BBA is a key and 60 is the value of this key. Right, BBA have 60 students. This is the value of this key. MBA has 120 students. So MBA is a key and value of this MBA is 120. Now what we have to do, let's say we want to see only keys. So we are going to use this function dict dot keys and round brackets, and simply we have to run this. This would be our output, dict underscore keys. And you can see, without values, all these keys are reflecting under the square brackets, round brackets. Then after that, this one is the square brackets, and BBA, MBA, BCom, MBA underscore AI. These are the keys. This is the output. Now we don't want to see keys. We just want to see what are the values in this variable. So simply what function we are going to use, dict dot values and round brackets, and simply we have to run this. Now you can see dict underscore values. These are the values. BBA, right, you can see 60 value, then MBA 120, BCom 120, and MBA underscore AI, Artificial Intelligence, MBA AI, that is 50. Now, what we want to do, let's say, because session is already on now in our BBA program, earlier there was the 60 students admission. Now 20 more admissions are already enrolled or increased. So we want to update this. We want to increase this number 60 to 80. So simply whatever is the key you want to update, simply you have to write dict and these are the inverted commas, and in the square brackets BBA, then after that equal to 80. So what I will do, simply I will run this, and after that I want to print this DICT, and I have to do, you can see now it is updated. BBA is 80, earlier it was 60, because more admissions are here, 20 more admissions, so that we want to update in our this list. So BBA is 80, MBA 120, BCom rest is same, only BBA has been changed. Now suppose, now we want to add one more new program. Let's say MIB, Masters in International Business. Let's say I want to incorporate one more new program in this list. So what I will do, DICT square brackets and inverted commas MIB, and how many, what is the value for this MIB? There's the 60 students. So simply I would run this, and I want to print this DICT. You can see here now MIB is also added in your this variable. That is why I had used this term, DICT dictionary is mutable. That means after creating this variable you can change the values and keys. Now, what I want from this variable, I want to remove this BBA. Let's say I don't want, because BBA is no more existing in our all these running courses. So what I will do, dict.pop and round brackets and simply inverted commas, we have to write BBA, and I would like to run this. So what would happen, we can see, and after that I want to print this BBA, and you can see 80 is the value for this particular key, and I want to print this. So you can see MBA 120, BCom 120, MBA underscore AI 50, MIB, but no more BBA is existing over here. So how we have to remove any key and value, you can use this function dict.pop. And after that, let's say I had created one new variable, dict1, directory 1. And in this, suppose I want to store some IT or computer science related courses. One is BSc, and here is BSc, there is the 50 students, and BCA program, there is 70 students. So suppose, let's say I want to add on one more program, MCA also, right? That is PG program. And in MCA, let's say I'm saying there is, we can say 60 students. And let me run this, right? And after that, I want to print this dictionary 1. So what is happening? You can see dictionary 1, BSc 50 students, BCA 70 students, and MCA 60 students. Up now, what we want to club, because I want to merge this dictionary 1 to dictionary DICT, right? So what function I'm going to use, you can see here, I will simply use this function dict dot update, right? And within the round brackets, I will use this dict1, and simply I would like to run this. And now I want to print this dict, and now you can see here all the programs you could be able to see here. MBA 120, BCom 120, MBA AI 50, MIB 60, and BSc 50, BCA 70, and MCA 60. So you can see here we have clubbed both these dictionary, or we had updated this dictionary 1 value into DICT. So this is all about your this data frame, that is dictionary. And as I said, we can we can summarize this thing. It is a mutable dictionary, and use curly braces only, use key values pairs, and these values are unordered. And what we did it in the past, first of all, we had already finished tuple, and tuple we had used round brackets, right? And after that, second data frame we had used, that is list, and list was, it is mutable, and we are using this one is square brackets. And after that, we had used third one, data frame is the dictionary and where we had used curly braces. So I'm sure you understand what is the difference among three. And last data frame we are running in the next video. So thank you so much. Keep watching.